I'm going to take you through the whole operation of this remote and show you how it works. It's really simple. There's only 4 buttons on here to learn, and on the back side it actually shows you how to learn those buttons as well. There's a little reminder there. The GreenSmart remote is really simple. It has a power on button, it has a thermostat button that allows you to change between your modes of your thermostat, which is off, on, or smart mode. It has an up and down toggle that allows you to raise or lower the flames, fan speed, the light on and off, which is called auxiliary on here, or your rear burner flame on or off. The mode button in the bottom allows you to choose between flame, fan, light, and rear burner. Let's take a closer look at how those buttons work. I'm going to show you how easy it is to operate any of the 4 buttons on the GreenSmart remote. You have your top button, which is your power on. That displays your temperature in the room and your set temperature, what you want it to come on at, and then it's also displaying right now that I'm in the smart mode. So that's all you have to do to power up your unit. Your unit's powered up. The next button down is your thermostat button. The thermostat button is displaying on 75 degrees set temperature, 73 degree house temperature, which means that the unit is going to turn itself on and heat it up till 75 degrees. The next mode down is the smart mode. Smart mode means the flames are going to modulate up and down based on room temperature. The next mode is thermostat off mode. That means the fireplace is on manually and it'll stay on until you turn the power button off up at the top. When the GreenSmart remote is in the smart mode, it will not let you adjust the main burner. It'll let you adjust the fan, the auxiliary, which is for your rear lighting, and it'll also let you turn your back burner off. It will not let you toggle back over to that main burner. This is because the hotter the room gets, the smaller the flame gets in smart mode all by itself. The colder the room gets, the larger the flame gets, and it does that all automatically in smart mode. The next button down is your up-down toggles. A lot of people have trouble if they have larger fingers when they press this center button. It actually isn't you don't depress the center button. You actually put your finger in the center of it and you simply roll your thumb up or you roll your thumb down to make a selection. The mode button at the bottom is simply lets you toggle between your main burner, your fan, auxiliary, which is your lighting inside your fireplace, and your rear burner. Right now with the power on, the flame icon is lit, is highlighted, which means that's showing you your burner and it's on high. I can bring my burner down off of high manually if I don't want my burner up quite so high. I want a little bit lower flame, a little bit lower temperature. I can bring it back up onto the high mode. The mode button down at the bottom allows me to go over to fan, and the high button might have a little bit of air noise, so I can bring my fan down just off of high, and now I can have a comfortable amount of airflow, and I can still have my fan on without any of the audible noise. When I hit the mode button again, it goes over to the auxiliary button, which is my rear light, and then I can toggle my rear light to the off position and now have a little bit darker firebox. If I hit my mode button again, it goes over to the rear burner, and I can turn my rear burner off. So now only my front burner stays on, and I've actually cut my heat down even further on my flame, which might be really nice for summertime use. Using your mode button, you can toggle over to your, what we call the rear burner. Well, the new model that we have out, which is called the 564 Diamond Fire, has 2 side burners rather than a front rear burner. So you're actually turning off the 2 side burners when you turn off the rear burner.